Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I've gotten requests on how to make an acai bowl, and so I thought why not today do it. But first I want to share a really funny story because this morning I got everything together on what I was gonna do for the acai bowl recipe. So I'm like getting everything together and I realized that I don't have bananas and my almond milk was about to expire. So that's when I drove to the store to get almond milk and bananas. And then I came home and then still getting stuff together, and then I realized that I forgot granola and I was like, oh my gosh. So I had to go back to the store and pick this up. So anyway, before I start talking even more, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So this is everything that I have to make an acai bowl. I do not have the frozen fruit that's actually in the freezer, but I just didn't want to put it out with all this other stuff. But here I've got organic acai blend. And this is actually from Costco. So I know that there are stores that have an acai blend. I'm not sure if they have it in this brand, but I do know that Walmart does have it. And if you check Stater Brothers or Ralph's, I'm sure they're gonna have a blend with just a different brand. And then here I've got shredded unsweetened coconut and chia seeds, honey, granola, and almond milk. And then I do have fruit in the freezer. So here what I did was I just put this under hot water, and I don't want to completely melt the whole entire acai completely, so there's still like a frozen part of the pack. Once I put the acai in the cup, I will be putting 1 cup of fruit. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So once I've done those 3 things, I'm going to go ahead and start blending. I'm going to split this in half because this actually can feed 2 people, and with this you're going to be adding your ingredients so it's filling to your tummy. And the last part about making these yummy acai bowls is adding the ingredients. And then with the chia seeds, I normally just put in like a teaspoon of the chia seeds, and then I just drizzle the acai bowls with honey. And the fun thing about making these is that you can add anything you want that's like fruity. I feel like it just adds a lot more texture and flavor, so I normally like to add fruit.
But I can still hear us singing.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. Let me know how you guys like it if you guys do try it. It's really, really good and you guys will not regret it. And if you are new here and you would like to subscribe and see more of us, you can click down below. You can click down below, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.